So this is our location for tonight, the Gasper Camp in Amsterdam. We tried to book online, but basically we couldn't, so you basically turn up from 12 o'clock, slot available and you can take it. I'm just going to go and get the metro now into Amsterdam itself. The unusual thing is, in the early 90s, myself and Jackie come here just camping, but anyhow, let's get into Amsterdam. So less than half a mile and we're at the metro station. We're going to go into the dam. So that's it, we've made it into capital Amsterdam itself. There's the central station. What we need to do now is go and discover, explore Amsterdam. I would say it's been years since we've been here, early 90s, but will much of it changed? Looks like it already, but hey ho, let's go. So we decided to do a canal tour on a boat to
head office. This building is also as the house with 1,000 windows. It was built in the famous style of the Amsterdam School and was decorated with details from shipping history, including the voyages of the BOC. It currently serves as a very luxurious hotel.
Bajo de Brug, o Puente Flaco, que está delante de ustedes, es uno de los puentes más antiguos de la ciudad. Este puente se construyó a principios del siglo XVII.
Sehen wir auf der linken Seite die 7 Bogenbrücken der Richelieu-Schacht hintereinander.
Nos estamos aproximando a una de las principales atracciones de nuestro periplo. A la izquierda pueden ver los 7 puentes con arcos de la Richelieu-Schacht alineados unos tras otros.
Amazing.
Is gebouwd hebben in Bocht van de Gracht. On your left, you can see the Bartolotti House. This house was named after the rich banker Bartolotti and was designed by Hendrik de Keyser. It is a very exceptional building as it was built completely symmetrical to the curve of the canal.
Links sehen Sie das Bartolotti-Haus.
Now sailing toward the Haarlemmersluis, one of the 16 former sea locks in Amsterdam.
Wir fahren zur Haarlemmer Sluis, eine der 16 ehemaligen Meeresschleusen Amsterdams.
Ahora vamos hacia la Haarlemmersluis.
Science Museum, designed by the famous architect Brendan Young. It looks like a ship, but it is meant to be a reflection of the Eye Tunnel. The window was built on the entrance to the Eye Tunnel, connecting the centre of the city with Amsterdam North.
So that's just coming to the end of our tour. It's about an hour long and it's €13. Was it worth it? I think so. So just up some of the back streets now of old Amsterdam. So this is more of the area that myself and Jackie remember, and like I say, it's been a number of years since we're here. A bit of a hustle and a bustle at the moment. People feeding the rat to the skies, pigeons. Can you guess what part of Amsterdam we're in? Very popular, with a lot of meals. Absolutely stunning, amazing. What a view. You can't disagree with that, can you? Almost forgot that building. The architecture, buildings in the Netherlands, not just Amsterdam, everywhere, is absolutely outstanding. Better than the boring UK ones. But anyhow, let's go. Again, more outstanding architecture and local transport. So we decided to stop off for dinner. Got a litre of red, Malbec, some tortillas. The view is amazing. Catch you in a bit. What an amazing view as you're having your evening meal. So round two is quesadillas, chicken quesadilla and jalapeno and cheese quesadilla. Again, a view. And some people just make all the effort. We're still in the restaurant and we're just enjoying the view. And then you can see that like heron just there. But the mic might go a bit dodgy because we're now on our second litre of the house red, which is a Malbec. But anyhow, we'll keep you updated. Loving the view. Amsterdam. It's fantastic. There you go, heron again. Amsterdam at night. Looks lovely.
David!
Jarenlang hier.
Ja, ja, ja.